Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over all of the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week. We do have a couple of glitches, and we have some new overage to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder, don't forget that this weekend, starting on Friday, June the 10th, we have a Dollar General clearance event, and that will run through Sunday, June the 12th. So this week, I will have several videos coming out going over tons of products. We have coupon matchups, we have freebies, we have overage, so you don't want to miss out. So make sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, so first up we have our drink deals. So we have a sale on Dr. Pepper, Canada Dry, Sunkist, A&W, 7-Up, and RC Cola 12 packs. They're on sale this week, 3 for $12. And we also have a sale on the Mountain Dew and Pepsi 6 packs. They are on sale this week, 3 for $9. Alright, so next up we have an amazing deal on cereal this week. This is definitely a stock up deal, and there are several different ways that y'all can come out with some super cheap cereal this week. So we have Kellogg's, General Mills, Quaker, and Post cereals. They are all on sale this week, 3 for $6. And we have a one-off 3 DG store coupon, so you can pick up 3 of any kind of cereal that you want. And you're going to pay $5 for 3 boxes. Now, here's another way that y'all can do this deal using some manufacturer coupons. So you're going to pick up 3 of the General Mills cereals. Again, they're on sale, 3 for $6. Use that one-off 3 DG store coupon for cereals. And then you're going to need to use that one-off 2 General Mills cereal manufacturer digital coupon, plus the 75-cent off 1 General Mills cereal manufacturer digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3.25 for all 3, making those $1.08 each. Now, here's another way that y'all can do this deal. You can pick up 3 of the peanut butter Chex Mix cereals. Again, they're on sale, 3 for $6. Use that one-off 3 cereal DG store coupon, and you want to find the boxes with the one-off 1 Peely coupon. So you're going to use 3 of the one-off 1 Peelies. That's going to leave you paying $2 for all 3 boxes, making those 66 cents each. Alright, next up, here's another way that y'all can do this deal. You can pick up 3 of the Captain Crunch or Life cereals. Again, they're on sale, 3 for $6, and you can mix and match. Use that one-off 3 DG store coupon for the cereals. That's going to leave you paying $5 for 3 boxes. But the deal gets a little bit better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Captain Crunch and Life cereals. So submit your receipt to Ibotta. You're going to get $3 back. That's going to make your final price $2 for 3 boxes, or 66 cents each. And again, keep in mind y'all can mix and match because both of these rebates are on Ibotta right now. And if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, you should definitely go and check it out. This is one of the best rebate apps out there. I have been using them for years, and I've literally saved thousands of dollars at this point. So definitely go and sign up if you haven't already. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, and if you use it, you're going to receive a special welcome bonus. Alright, let's move on into our household deals, shall we? So we have the Scott Comfort Plus bath tissue, 6 big rolls. These are on sale this week for $2.75, and we still have that instant savings for when you spend $15 on Scott brand products. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register. Next up, we have the Charmin Essentials 12 packs of bath tissue. These are on sale this week for $4.95. We have a one-off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3.95. Now we also have the Bounty Essentials paper towels, 6 count. Those are also on sale this week for $4.95. We have a 25% off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4.70. Alright, next up we received a new 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain laundry products. So there's a lot included with this coupon. You can pick up the flings, the liquid laundry detergent, the fabric softener, the sheets, or the fireworks. Those are all priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Now, we also received a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Gain liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Alright, next up, we received a new 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. So you can pick up the laundry detergent, the scent boosters, or the fabric softener sheets. Those are all priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And we also received a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Purex liquid laundry detergent, 75 ounces. Those are priced at $5.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. All right, next up, we received a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Palmolive Ultra Dish Liquid 46 fluid ounces. These are priced at $4.50, so after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2.50. Next up, we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Cascade dishwasher tablets. So if you want to pick up the 13 count, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. Now, the Cascade dishwasher tablets are on sale this week too for $8. So if you want to pick up 2 of the 13 count, use that 50-cent off 1 digital coupon plus the 50-cent off 1 insert coupon from the P&G insert. That's going to leave you paying $7 for 2. Next up, we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Lysol disinfecting wipes. So if you want to pick up the 35 count, those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And we also received a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Fabuloso all-purpose cleaners. These are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. All right, so now we're going to move on into kind of some personal care items. We received this high-value 4-off-1 digital coupon for the Aspercream arthritis products. So if you want to pick up the Aspercream arthritis pain relief gel, those are priced at $9.50. So after that 4-off-1 digital coupon is applied, you're going to pay $5.50. Next up, we received a new 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Banana Boat or Hawaiian Tropic Sun Care products. So if you want to pick up the Banana Boat Aloe After Sun Lotion 16 ounces, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now, we also received a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the Rolaids products. So if you want to pick up the Rolaids Soft Chews, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, here's a pretty good deal. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon out for the DG Health Naproxen. So these are priced at $2.60. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.60. And here's another really good deal. We have a 1-off-1 digital coupon out for the DG Health Triple Antibiotic Ointment, or you could also pick up the Hydrocortisone Cream. Those are priced at $2.60. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $1.60. All right, next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Believe Beauty products. Now, there's a lot that is working with this coupon. They range in price from $3 all the way up to $5. Here is one of the lower priced items. We have the Believe Beauty cosmetic brushes. They're priced at $3. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $2. All right, up next, just a quick friendly reminder that we still have that instant savings on Dove, Axe, and Tresemme products. So you're going to instantly save $2 at the register when you spend $8, and this instant savings will end this Saturday on June the 11th. Now, when y'all are doing your deals on Dove and Axe and Tresemme products, keep in mind that not all products are working with the instant savings. So you want to make sure that you are scanning those products before you go up to the register to make sure that they are included in that instant savings deal. So, for instance, this week at DG, we received a couple of coupons for Dove deodorants. We have the Dove Men Plus Care deodorant. This is a 1.6 or 1.7 ounce deodorant. These are priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. We also received a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Dove Women's deodorants. Again, these are 1.6 or 1.7 ounce deodorants, priced at $4.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. But when I add these in the app, it is not showing up that instant savings is applying. So y'all be careful when you are out doing any Dove, Axe, or Tresemme deals, and make sure that instant savings attaches before you go up to the register. All right, up next, here's another awesome deal going on at Dollar General this week. We have instant savings on Tone Body Wash, Dial Body Wash, and the bar soap. So you're going to instantly save $2 at the register when you purchase 2. Now, we also received a 2-off-2 digital coupon that will go right along with that, and we also have 2-off-2 insert coupons that came in the Sunday newspapers. So it was in the June 5th save insert. So if you want to pick up 2 of the Tone body washes, those are priced at $3.50 each. After that instant savings plus your digital or insert coupon, that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. Now, here's another deal that y'all can do. You can pick up 2 of the Dial body washes, 12 fluid ounces. Those are priced at $3.25 each. So pick up 2. That's going to put you at $6.50. Sorry about that typo there, but it is in fact $6.50. So after that instant savings plus that 2-off-2 digital coupon or the insert coupon, that's going to leave you paying $2.50 for 2, making those $1.25 each. All right, next up, we received a 4-off-1 digital coupon for the Schick Intuition razors. So these are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And we also received a 4-off-1 digital coupon for the Schick or Skintimate disposable razors. So if you want to pick up the Skintimate women's razors 4 count, those are priced at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. All right, next up, we received a few new digital coupons for the Dollar Shave Club products, and I do have to make a correction because I'm pretty sure yesterday I kind of got confused while I was going through the new coupons, and then on top of that, Dollar General did change up the website on me, so I was kind of scrambling to figure out how I was going to record the video, so I do apologize, but here is the correction. So if you want to pick up one of the starter kits, the Dollar Shave Club starter kits at $7, that includes the razor plus a refill, and then one of the 4-count refills at $8. Use the 150 off 1 DG store coupon plus the 5 off 2 Dollar Shave Club manufacturer digital coupon. That's going to be paying $8.50 for 2. Now, if you don't want to do that deal, here is another option for y'all. So you could pick up one of the Dollar Shave Club 4-count refills. Those are priced at $8. Use the 150 off 1 DG store coupon plus the 350 off 1 manufacturer coupon for the refills. And that's going to leave you paying $3 for 1. All right, next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the U by Kotex products. So these start out at $3.45. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.45. Now, we also received a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Poise products. So these start out at $6 each. So pick up 2, use that digital coupon. That's going to be paying $7 for 2. Now, we also have a couple of baby deals this week. So we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Huggies diapers. If you want to pick up the Huggies Snug and Dry diapers, those are priced at $9.50 this week. So after that coupon is applied, you're going to pay $7.50. And we also received a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Huggies wipes. So those are actually on sale this week too for $4. So pick up 2 of those. Use that coupon. That's going to leave you paying $3 for 2, making those $1.50 each. All right, now let's talk about some overage, shall we? So we have the Centrum Mini Vitamins. These were $5, but they have been marked down to $3.82, and we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon. So if you can find those at your store, pick up one of those, use that digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you 18 cents in overage. Now, you may want to hold off on doing this deal this week until Friday because I have a suspicious feeling that those are going to be included in the clearance event because they are marked down to that price. So they may be an additional 50% off starting on Friday, and that would mean more overage for you guys. So just a little heads up on that deal. All right, now rolling on into our glitch list. We have 2 glitches this week. This one starting off, we have a 150 off 1 digital coupon for the Visine products. This is working on the little trial or travel sizes. This is 0.28 fluid ounces. These are priced at $2.95. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $1.45. And here is our second glitch. We received a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Dial or Tone products. This coupon is glitching and is working on the Dial body wash travel size. So those are priced at $2 each. Pick up 2 of those, use that coupon. That's going to leave you paying $2 for 2. But again, as I said in yesterday's video, I think it's a much better deal just to go ahead and pick up the 12 fluid ounce bottles for $3.25 each. After that instant savings and that coupon, you're going to pay $2.50 for 2 of the much bigger bottles. So a lot better deal for about the same price. And then y'all don't forget, once you're done shopping at Dollar General this week, to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards rebate app so that y'all can earn points on the products that you purchase. Now, if you're not already signed up, this is another rebate app that I highly recommend, and I use it pretty much every single week. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So super simple and easy. If you're not already signed up, definitely go and check it out. My referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and y'all don't forget we have an epic DG clearance event starting this weekend, so make sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications because I will have several videos coming out throughout the week going over all of the best deals, coupon matchups, we have freebies, and overage. So you don't want to miss out, so make sure that you have your notifications turned on. And before y'all go, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a comment down below. Now, yesterday I was having some issues with the comment section being turned off by YouTube. That was not me doing that. I'm not sure why it was happening, but hopefully I have it fixed now. So y'all leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing today and if y'all are excited for this clearance event and what you're looking forward to picking up. And then also, please take a second to share the video. All those things really do help me out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.